Hey guys, so really important video, and I'm talking about buying meme coins fast on Solana. And why I am talking about this is because there are, for example, Trump dropped his token, official Trump coin. Melania dropped her meme coin, and what happened is that Solana got congested. No one could do any transactions because everything froze. And if you are using wallets like Phantom, that's a great wallet, but you want to do it fast because Phantom wallets don't allow you to set custom slippages, or it won't allow you to front run everyone else. And when something like that drops, you want to be as fast as possible because there are so many pros that are buying in the first minutes, first seconds. And the best platform is BullX. And I will show you how basically you can buy as fast as possible. So the link is in the description because this is invite only. So go on the description and click the link. The first link will be the BullX link. And when you basically go on the link, it will open you a Telegram because this basically works through Telegram, which is so easy. You go on your Telegram and log in when you want to, and you can use it on your phone and on your desktop. After you log in into this app, the first thing you will see is this. This is nonsense. You don't need this. Only if you want to be a professional meme coin trader, this is where you want to be. But this is really easy. You just go to your wallet manager right here, as you see here. And if you want to add a new wallet or add funds, you can just go here, add funds. And for example, you have some Solana on Coinbase, on Binance, or on your Phantom wallet. You click this link and you will go on your Phantom wallet and send Solana to this link. This is basically your wallet on BullX. And here you will see, for example, my balance is 0.125 Solana. Here you will be able to add your withdrawal wallets because you don't want to hold the coins on this platform for long term. Send it to your own Phantom wallet. But that's basically the first part, which is really easy. You can withdraw basically in any moment you want. You don't have to wait. Like in, for example, for Coinbase or other centralized wallets. So you can withdraw anytime, anywhere, even with your phone. It is really easy. Next step is basically you see someone posting. For example, Trump posted his meme coin and his basically contract address was this. It was all also posted on his X account. So what you will do, you will copy the contract, go on BullX, go on this search tab and basically paste in. Here you will see that, for example, Trump coin, whatever coin. And the best part is that this will not lag. This will not be like a swapping on Jupiter, on Radium, because everything will be frozen on these swaps because there are only 2 to 3 major decentralized exchanges on Solana. That's why I would recommend you to use this tool, because I basically missed the Melania coin. I basically missed on Trump coin. I missed like 10x because everything was frozen. Now, this is the most important part, is you can basically buy really easily. Here you will set, for example, 0.1 Solana, and it will automatically show you. Here you will press the buy button, not here, but here. And this is the most important part. You can set your own slippage, your priority fee, basically buy bribe. So what this means is that you will be able to pay more to get faster in line. For example, there are 1,000 people trying to buy Trump meme coin, and they are buying on Phantom, on Jupiter, Radium, trying to swap, and they are basically signing the transaction. And nothing will happen. The transaction will decline. And this is where this app basically gets its benefit, is that you can set your priority fee, which means that you can, for example, double your priority fee and even put some bribe to be able to buy faster. Of course, the less Solana you use, the less priority fee you will be using because it will spend a lot of your Solana. but the more you are buying, and if you want to get as fast as possible, if you see a potential 10x, 100x like Trump is posting, or imagine if Elon Musk posts his address or someone else that is huge, you want to be on this app, you want your Solana ready, and you can basically set your priority fee higher. This is basically the most important is priority fee, the bribe, and you can also enable or disable this basically bot protection, because there are many bots that front run your transactions and you basically lose money. That's why you can enable. If you disable, it will be again much faster. If you enable, you are basically you will basically be protected from these bots, but the transaction, of course, will be a little bit late. Slippage, you can basically leave the same. These two are the most important if you want to buy fast and sell fast as well. That's the first thing. And second thing, which is great, is that you can basically auto sell. So you can create a new strategy, for example, stop loss, and for example, if the coin drops by 20%, it will automatically sell. And there is also the take profit. For example, it goes higher than 20%. You again do basically 100% sell or 50% sell. For example, you have to go to sleep. You get 5x in the middle of the night when you are sleeping, and you want to cash out at 5x, you will sell everything automatically. Or the same at loss, you don't want to lose more than $1,000. For example, you invest 5,000 and you are ready to lose 1,000. When it drops below 4,000, and for example goes below 20%, it will basically automatically sell. So again, that's why this is insane application, and this is not a paid sponsorship. This is literally what I just wanted to make a quick video. I will be making more videos about this, deeper, basically reviews. But I just want to post this ASAP because you don't know what happens in this chain. There are many celebrities posting their own tickers, their contract addresses, like every day, almost every day, and you want to be fast. That's why I just wanted to make this video ASAP. I understand this is a really quick review video, quick explanation, but that's basically all you want is this, your wallet manager, where you can send your funds, send your money. Here is the basically where you can search the coins, just insert the ticker or search by name. Be careful by searching by name, because you can search different coins, because there are like hundreds of Trump coins, hundreds of Melania coins. That's why better know the address and just paste it in. You will be able to buy in seconds. Set your priority fees higher if the transactions doesn't go through. So you are able to buy, because for the Melania coin, I was waiting for 5 hours until the transaction went through. That's how basically crazy it gets. And it will get more crazier because bull run is still approaching. This is not euphoria. My friends are not asking about crypto, but the day will come and you will want to be well positioned. You want to be well positioned right now, because you don't know when something crazy happens like Trump or Melania. Maybe Trump drops a Baron token, his son Baron, or Trump Jr. This will again freeze the whole Solana ecosystem, and you want to be on this application. That's where I will be. I will send more funds. And when everything happens, I will buy first, and the retail, the normal people, will buy after me and pump the prices, and I will easily cash out. That's why I hope this video basically was helpful. If you are not on this app, the link is in the description, because this is invite only. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.